Do you want to predict price action before it happens? Well, the price action color forecast indicator on TradingView is an advanced tool that is designed to give traders early trend signals through color-coded price movements. So in this video, we're just going to be breaking down how this indicator works and how you can use it to stay ahead of the markets. Okay, if you are looking for powerful trading indicators that give you an edge in the market, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Okay, now let us just quickly dive into this game changing tool. I'm just going to add the price action color forecast to the chart. All right, here we go. Okay. So the price action color forecast indicator is designed to help traders anticipate price action shifts based on real-time market dynamics. So it works by analyzing past price movement patterns to detect potential reversals. Okay, and also, it utilizes color coding price bars based on market momentum and strength, and it highlights key zones where price action is likely to change. So can you see that this indicator predicts future price action? That is the reason why it's called price action color forecast. This is the current right? Can you see that this demarcation shows where current price ended? Can you see that the current price ended around here? Then these are just forecasts, right? You can see these are just forecasts because this is exactly where current price ended. Can you see? This is 31st March. Can you see? Look down there. This is 31st March, right? And you can see this is the date at the time of recording. This is 31st March. So these are forecasted price activity, by this indicator. Okay, so the indicator helps traders, to anticipate price action shifts, and it allows traders to spot upcoming market movements instead of reacting late. Now, let us break down how you can use this indicator to make better trading decisions. Okay, for a bullish signal, when the price, when the price forecasts a bullish move, perhaps the indicator color turns green. When the indicator color turns green, when the price bar turns green, it indicates potential upside movement, potential upside momentum. All right. So in that case, based on what this indicator has forecasted, use current price activity and analyze if there is a chance of the forecast playing out. Now, this is just a forecast, okay? It's not a holy grail. There is no guarantee that the forecast is going to play out, okay? This is just a forecast. Remember that. So if you have done your current analysis and it seems likely, then you can enter a buy trade because this is a bullish forecast from here to here, right? You can enter a buy trade, set your stop loss below the previous swing low, and then I'm going to recommend you using resistance zones, okay, for your take profit. You don't necessarily need to take your take profit till the point that was forecasted, okay? You can just use resistance for your take profit. So if this forecast should play out, then you are also going to make, a good, profit, right? It doesn't mean that the forecast will play out, okay? There is no indicator that is 100% accurate, but, based on the market analysis, based on past price movement, this indicator has forecasted a possible price movement, okay? So just ensure that you get bullish confirmation before entering your trade. And for a bearish signal, if the indicator, the indicator bar turns red, or perhaps the indicator plots a bearish structure, if the indicator plots a bearish structure, it suggests that there's possible downward momentum coming up, just like how in this case, it's a bullish forecast. this is a bullish forecast in this case, right? But in a situation whereby there is a bearish forecast, just ensure that you get confirmation. All right, ensure that you get confirmation before proceeding with that trade. All right, before proceeding with that trade. Now, by understanding these shifts, traders can anticipate breakouts, reversals, and trend continuations. All right. Now, in this case, this should be a trend continuation, because you can see that the buy trend actually started from here, right? The buy trend started from here, and then the indicator is actually forecasting a consolidation phase around here, which has already started, and then a breakout is also forecasting a breakout after that. Okay. Meanwhile, just ensure that you do your own analysis and confirm signals from other indicators, okay, before you jump into the trade. Okay, to get the most out of the price action color forecast, here are some best practices. You can use lower time frames for scalping. If you are a scalper, you can decide to use maybe time frames like the 1 minute or 5 minutes, right? If you are you're a day trader, you can actually use higher time frames like 4 hours, or even the daily time frame for trend trading, right? But ensure you always combine this indicator with support and resistance. It's very important. Combine the indicator with support and resistance. Okay, do your own price action analysis. I repeat, do your own price action analysis. All right, analyze market structure, and you can then know if there is a chance of the indicator's forecast playing out. Okay, for added confirmation, you can even pair this indicator with moving averages, just to align with the broader trend, or maybe you can pair it with RSI or MACD to confirm momentum strength, or you can use volume analysis to ensure price movements are supported by market activity. All right. Now, remember that no indicator is 100% accurate, which is why risk management is key. So follow these rules. Set your stop loss orders at logical price points. All right. Set your stop loss orders at logical price points. Avoid trading during high impact news events. All right. And only take trades that align with the dominant market structure. Okay. Make sure that you are careful when taking, trades based on the forecast of this indicator. Okay, make sure that you take trades that align with the dominant market structure. So the price action color forecast indicator is quite an effective trading view tool. It's an interesting one, that simplifies price action analysis. If you're looking for a color coded system to help predict market moves, then this indicator is worth trying. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you've used this tool before. Don't forget to subscribe for more powerful trading strategies, okay? Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.